pink up this, pink up that. Everywhere I go on the social media, I will always come across this comment, thousands of comments at that, that this pink up is the best, this pink up is the original, whatever, whatever. Everywhere I go, I will always see comment about pink up, pink up, pink up. So guys, 5 months ago, I decided to try it out. Okay, what is this pink up people are talking about? And and I must say that the app is what it is the best app among the best too. So I won't actually dispute that the pink app is the best app that people make money from. And if you are thinking, what is this pink app all about? Pink app is also called Poppo Live. Yes, it's a live streaming app where you go live, where you do some taxes as well, where you play game, where you can gamble, where you can join parties. I mean, you can do so many things on this app. In fact, guys, to burst the bubbles, people on this app does their birthday on the app, and guys, they are cashing out millions from just birthday celebrations. And that depends on the people you know on the app. So I'm going to be walking you through on how you can navigate this pink app that has been trending from last year even till now, and it's still trending because honestly, I've joined the platform for the past 5 months, and to God be the glory. It is what they said it is to me, and I'm cashing out as well. I'm going to show you every of my profile, and you know I don't bring what is not legit to my channel. No, I don't do that. If you go through my channel from A to Z, everything I say, if you do it, you definitely see results. So let's that being said, let's quickly get right into the video, because I'm going to be showing you how you go about the app, like how you are going to navigate it, how you are going to register, what you need to do when you register, and so on and so forth. So that being said, let's go. For the sake of people that want to try the app out, I'm going to be dropping a link in the description below. Kindly click on that link. It's either you click on my Telegram channel link, or you click on the link that will take you to Poppo Live Direct on how you can download it. So that being said, let's quickly dive right into the video. So guys, if you click on the link I'm going to be dropping in the description box, it will bring you to this interface, and it will directly take you to your Apple Store or your Google Play Store for you to download the app. So guys, after you might have downloaded the app from your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store, it is going to bring you to this interface, and all you have to do is to click on login with Gmail. But first you have to click on I read and agree the terms and condition. But for me, I will not be reading it. I'll just click on login with Gmail. So it will tell you that the app wants you to sign in. So I'll say continue, right? So guys, I've actually signed in with my Gmail. So it's going to bring you to this interface, all right? So after it has brought you to this interface, all you have to do is to fill in your you fill in your details. So this will be my name, and I'll just leave it the way it is. Okay, this is a practical account. So I'll click on okay, I'll click on, maybe I'm a female, let me click on female. Okay, then you click on submit. Upload. Hey god, I beg, oh, I don't want to upload. Oh, then submit. Okay, so thank God I actually skipped that. So guys, after you have opened your account, the first thing you need to do on this app is to do your face authentication, which is this blue here. I'll click on it. So for now, I can't do this because I have an account already on the app, and I'm still going to take you back to my other account so you can see it's for real. So you do your face authentication. After you have finished your face authentication, you bind your phone number. All right. Then when it's successful, you come back here. The next thing you have to do is to join an agency. You see this down this place, this particular place. I'm going to be circling it so you can see. This is where you join an agency. All right, I'm going to be leaving an agency number on the screen. Is in the United States. So I work with him. Yes, I work with him. I talk to his host on his behalf because he doesn't really have time. He's a US based person. So I'm going to be writing his ID, his agent ID on the screen for you to input. So when you input the agent ID, you input it here, then you click on enter. Then the next message you are going to see is join um kiss and tell agency, stuff like that. Then you say okay, or the next message you're going to see is congratulations, you have joined kiss and tell agency. So that's that about. Now guys, remember I told you there are several ways you can earn money on the app. This is a new account, this is totally not my own. Like I just opened it just for the sake of a practical video. So this is what it's looking like. So for you to know your tax on the app or how you can make money on it, you click on this reward. After you click on reward, it's going to load right here. After it has loaded, all right, you see your activities. Oh god, you can't see your activities there because this is a guy's channel. I mean, this is a guy profile. So what I'm going to do is now that let me quickly log in my own account so I can teach you from there. So guys, this is my own personal account on the app. As you can see, I'm 11, 12 already, and it takes a very long time, and it takes your like consistency to get to level 12 on this app. So right now, this is what my dashboard is looking like. Remember, this dashboard is quite different from the female dashboard I opened. So this is it. I'll click on it. All right, on this app, on this my account, I've done my face authentication, so I'm good to go. I've been earning on the app. So for a female on this app, you see, you have to do daily live stream, which is 60 minutes. You earn $1,000. All right. Now I didn't remember to tell you guys, when you sign up on this app, you'll be rewarded. Like as a female host, when you come on this app, you'll be rewarded. I mean, your first few days on the app, you'll be making $1 each day. Yes, your first few days on the app, you'll be making $1 each day, because on this app, 1,000 points, you 1,000 points on this app, 10,000 points. Yes, on this app, 10,000 points is $1, and you have to accumulate up to 100,000 points, and that 100,000 points is $10. I don't know if you're getting it. So as a new host, when you just come on the app, they are going to, you see this hourly range, you'll be collecting 5,000 per hour, and you have to do 2 hours. When you do 2 hours, you'll be giving 10,000 points, and that 10,000 points is equals to $1. That 10,000 points is equals to $1. So when by the time you accumulate that 10,000, 100,000 points, you'll be able to withdraw your first $10 on the app. So that's how it works. So as a female host, these are the tasks you are expected to do. You're expected to go live for 1 hour, then you're expected to, okay, yeah, you can, they are on the app, they have exclusive tax event as well. As you can see this place, when you do your live, instead of them giving me 1,000, I mean, instead of them giving me 1,000 per hour, because I'm right now I'm actually on 1,000 per hour, but if you're new, they'll be giving you 5,000 per hour. Instead of them giving you 5,000 per hour, they'll still give you 5,500 per hour, because there's an event going on the app. Then another way you can make money on the app is PK mission. Now, if you go on a PK with somebody and you win 3 times with a point on your head, you are going to be given 2,000 points extra. So guys, don't sleep on this thing. Oh, this thing is making money, and there are a lot of activities on the app that you have to do. Now, why I asked you to join an agency is because you have to be sitting on people's panel. I'm new on that panel. You won't be able to sit on people's panel because there's a task what we would call crown seat. So let me show you what that crown seat is all about. So right now, let me just go live. Let me go live right now, right? So I'm going to click on a party. I'm going to click on a party because the next phase I want to show you is how you can make money by sitting on a crown seat. So I'm going to initiate I'm going to initiate a party right now. So after I've initiated the party, you see this crown seat box two. This box two is what we call crown seat. This is what we call crown seat. When you go to people's panel and you sit on this crown seat for 1 hour, you'll be given 800 points. When you sit for 2 hours, you'll be given 1600 points. All right, this is what you call transit, and this is another way you can make money on the app. Then the second way you can make, I mean the third way, after your tax and sitting on the party tax, another way you can make money on the app is playing games. All right, if you look down below here, you see gamepad. You see gamepad. So you click on this gamepad, you can play game. You see all of these games, you can play them and you can win big. You can win big on the app. Guys, I'm not even capping. I'm going to be giving you screenshot of how much I made playing games on this app. I'm going to be putting it on the screen while I'm editing this video. So another way you can make money on this app is gambling. If you notice, there is a pop-up here that time. I pray it pop up again. I'm waiting it. Can you see this pop up? This coin, 133,000 something. That is gambling. That particular account is gambling, and this is how the account is gambling. You see this box here, this pink box. This pink box here, you click on it, all right? After you click on it, you come to this box, lucky. Did you see it? Lucky. So on this lucky, all the gifts here are for gambling. When you gamble with something like this, you will see return, and trust me, your return might be massive, your return might be medium, and your return might be large. You know what gambling is now? Is either you win or you lose, but mostly on this app is a win-win. So when you gamble with any of these gifts here, you be getting coins in return, and that coins will be used for exchange, and your exchange will be converted to your point. By the time you accumulate 100,000 points or 100,000 points, that's $10. When you accumulate 200,000 points, that's $20. So just imagine like that, like that, like that. So that's another way you can make money on the app. Then on this app as well, let me teach you how to go live on the app. So guys, this is how to go live on Poppo Live. All right, this is how to go live on Poppo Live. So you see this, you see all these fine babes, you see all these fine ladies. Guys, people are on the app and they're making it. You can't tell me they're not making money and they are here. It's not possible. You get to meet people, you get to make money. Like, you can see the way I'm strolling. There are a lot of people on this app, and you can't tell me they are here to play. No, nobody's here to play. They are making money on the app. So for you to go live on this app, you click on live. All right, so after you click on your live, you see this live streaming title. I'm just going to say um come in, just find something. You're a lady, find something sexy. Come in love. Let me put an emoji. Let me put an emoji. So I'm going to do that. Then I'll give my live streaming a title. So I've actually done that. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to go live. All right, and make sure you tick the chatting and every other boxes there. So this is me, I am live. So if I were you, if you are just joining the app, you quickly do your live tag so you can be able to redeem your newcomer privilege. Yes, that's what we'll call it. So you can be able to redeem your newcomer privilege. So right now I am live, all right, and I will be live for 1 hour. I'm just showing you how the app works. Then if people should come into your life right now, like if people come into, no, I'm not closing, cancel. If people should come, you see your audience, all right, you see your audience that comes on the live. Then also, if you are streaming, this is called solo live. It's not very important for people to join your live stream, all right, it's not very important. But then people join, people did not join, the app is going to credit you your point. All right, that's why it's called solo life. It is called solo life. Like unlike TikTok, when you have to have people that will be tapping and gifting. This one is not like that. You see people to tap, you see people no tap, you get your point. And by the time you play game and you do every other activities on the app, trust me guys, you are going to make your money. This is what some big girls are doing. Guys, if I tell you, if I go to that explorer page again and tell you what these ladies are doing on the app, they are not doing anything bad though. They are just streaming and they are earning dollars. They are earning dollars. Then another thing I would like to tell you is that you see this app, you can withdraw your money directly to your palmpay account. You can withdraw it directly to your opay account, your gt account, your local bank account. All right. And if you feel that okay, you don't want to do that, you can actually withdraw your money in dollars with using usdt. So there's no, the is very easy on this app to make your money. It's very easy to withdraw your money. So there's no answer and okay. Let me cut off my life. So I want to take you to somebody. She's my church member. She should be live. Let me go and check. All right. Let me click on my follow. She's my church member. Very good. She's live. See, you see this lady right here. Oh, how I can't, because I'm actually screen recording. I can't go to her live. This lady right here, she's in level 13. She's in level 13, and I'm the one that introduced her to the app. Now tell me, see people now. These are my friends. You know, I told you on this app you have to make friends and see find see now see find babes. Just imagine what they are doing on the app. If the app is not paying, you will not see people here. I swear to God. If the app is not paying, you will not see people here. So that's just how it is. That's how to make money on Poppo. So the next time I'm going to be revealing how much I have withdrawn from this app. Oh yes, before I forget, please. Another way you can make money on the app is by invitation. I mean inviting people to join the app. Now, let me explain to you. With or without referral, you can make money on the app. Look at my account. This is my account that I'm in level 12 on. How many people have I invited? Just five people. Just five people, and I've actually $60,000. It's not even up to $10,000. If you should calculate it, it's not up to $100. I mean, it's not up to 100 points, 100,000 points. I have just 60. So this is to tell you that I have made money without referral on this app. I have made money without referral on this app. So it's not a must you invite. I just want to actually bring this app, expose the app, because the app is not trending. It's not like TikTok when it's trending. But you see this app, people are making money on it codedly. And another way you can make money on the app is being an agent. But before you be an agent, there's a time for that. You have to know the app, know what the app is all about before you can say you're an agent on the app. So right here, I'm going to stop here for now. Then I'll continue with subtopics about this, excuse me, about this app in my upcoming videos. All you have to do is just to subscribe to my channel, and anytime I upload my video, kindly watch, and also join my telegram channel, because I'll be leaving the link in the description box, where we can actually interact and talk. In case you have any question, you can always ask me, then I'll answer you, and I'm ready to put you through on how the app works. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till next time. Bye.